Hello, welcome in Aradha Spoken English Center. And first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir, who has given this golden chance. And today we are sitting here because today we are going to discuss about cryptocurrency. Then first and foremost, my first friend will tell that what's a cryptocurrency.
So, thank you, Beauty, for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to tell about cryptocurrency. So, cryptocurrency is a virtual and digital currency which you can't touch, which you can't get in physical form, but it will be your asset. And also, cryptocurrency is a decentralized unit. You can't control it. Even any government can't control it. Any private organization can't control it. So, it is controlled by a blockchain network. So, I have a question to all of you that would you accept crypto as a currency?
I think the currency which is not present in the physical form and no government is involved in your transaction. It is very difficult to show your belief in this type of currency. So according to me, trading in crypto or buying some goods by the help of paying your crypto, it is like little bit difficult when you compare to your physical form of money and when you compare to your virtual money like crypto.
Then please first and foremost, Abhishek, will you tell me that who has invented the cryptocurrency?
I have a little knowledge, I don't know much about it. Satoshi Nakamoto has invented crypto and also he was invented Bitcoin, which is the biggest crypto at this time.
In the market
Yes,
right now.
it's the first Bitcoin.
No, Bitcoin is the largest market cap today. It is holding around $450 billion. It is all the market side of the Bitcoin is
I mean to say
$450.
Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency.
Okay,
Which is-
might be.
Yes, you are correct.
Yes,
Bitcoin was the
is
first cryptocurrency.
Then how does it work? I have to know that how does it work?
It's work computer based. It's a transaction. Every transaction recorded in a chain, blockchain. It's form of ledger.
It is completed by blockchain networks and miners. So whenever you complete a transaction, miners calculate the difficult mathematics and store it in a block, and that block is stored in blockchain networks. So every time you do transaction, then a block is created and it is stored in blockchain network. So if you transfer your coins into another, a block will created and stored in blockchain network. And when he do any transfer of that coin to another, another block will be added to that blockchain. So all of the blocks are stored in blockchain network, and that blockchain network provides security.
Then
Also,
it can happen that it will be take more time.
no, it doesn't take more time. And even it is less than your regular banking transactions.
It is safe for the peoples.
Yes, it is safe for the people. Nobody can steal your coins unless they get access of your wallet.
As you said, it is decentralized. There is no any authority to control it.
Yes.
Nobody have any authority to record all the transaction.
No,
When-
that's not right. Every transaction is being recorded in blockchain, which I explained right now.
But government doesn't know about this thing.
Government don't know, but because it is decentralized, nobody can control it. It is secured. It is
Then if we
decentralized.
any situation we are stuck in any problem at the time, what should we do?
Then, can you explain me what kind of problem you?
Means anybody will cheat you that if you are sending your Bitcoin here and there, then as you know that it's a decentralized, then nobody will know that from where you are sending your money. By the mistake of this thing, if I am sending to Abhishek, then by the mistake that money will send to Sandeep. Then third person won't include in this criteria. Then how will I know that from where my Bitcoin has gone?
I would like to say something about it. It's not like that. It's been how will you exchange it? That are two ways. That is in two ways. If a person want to exchange it with peer to peer, which means a personal to a personal. If I wanna change my bitcoins to someone, then there are as he explained about the chain system. the chain system is always explored. It's when there are, if someone suppose I am wanted to exchange my 100 bitcoins to someone, then there are lots of miners which are started to mining on that, and there are lots of cryptographic puzzles are available, and when the puzzles are solved by the people and the miners, then the transaction is being processed, and the currency is always go to the same person, and it's go from a wallet of one person's wallet to another person's wallet, and the receiver and the giver, they both are known by the all miner, because they are mining and they are knowing that that is a person, particular person Sandeep is sending the money or sending the cryptocurrency to Beauty. All person are knowing all those things, so there is no other chances that by mistake he can go to other persons.
Before some time, everyone said that because only that type of criteria is happening in computer system, and now you told that all person are knowing. And how is it possible?
All person, which means they are, if they are mining, it means I am transferring the bitcoins to you, then they suppose they all three person are mining that, that means they are resolving the puzzles, what that
Advanced mathematical.
so yes,
puzzles.
advanced mathematical puzzles, and they are solving, and they are knowing that I am the sender and you are the receiver. All person are knowing that. That's why.
Okay, then they are doing that type of things. Then why they are doing? If they gave any percent, and if they gave any, what to say, that benefit, that's why they are doing. Maybe.
Yes, whenever you do transaction, then a charge in the face of in the name of transaction fees will be charged, and that charge will go to miners. So that charge is their what to say.
It means that if
If
someone is
they
a
have any
mine,
interest,
yes.
that's why they are doing.
yes, they are, if the miner is mining, that means they are working on it. That's why they can earn by the solving the puzzles. They can earn some bitcoins or the cryptocurrency. So that
Yeah,
is the
right.
benefit of that person, the miners who is mining on it.
Okay, understood.
And also this charge varies as presence of miners. Means
This charge is vary according to the number of miners.
yes,
mining at
if
this
there
particular
are
time.
there are so many numbers of miners who are mining that blockchain network, means cryptocurrency, then the charges will be less, and the miners are less, then the charges will be high.
Yes.
So it is demand supply system.
According to Sandeep said that the chance of mistake, which is at the time of transfer, the chance of mistake is very less. Even then, some people lost their crypto or like Bitcoin, other currency like Dogecoin or other while transactioning. How this type of mistake has been done?
I would like to say something. As I explained you before that nobody can access blockchain network data, so nobody can steal your bitcoins or whatever currency you hold. Let me complete. So nobody can steal your cryptocurrency. But if due to any by any reason any can access your wallet, there are chances that they can access your wallet due to any, if you clicked on any link, if you have means if you are not aware person, then due to any reason anybody can access your wallet, and if once they access your wallet, then they can steal your bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies.
So it is safe for the people. Then why many countries after 2021 it is banned? Many countries not allowed to transaction in like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency.
Because something is about to knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, proper knowledge, then you won't be able to what that call. If suppose I don't have knowledge about Chinese language, then how will I be able to communicate with them?
No,
Then
no,
you
but
don't
I
have
cannot
the same thing. It's mean if you don't have the knowledge about the cryptocurrency and trading and how to exchange, then definitely
You
the
mean to
people
say
are
These people are how
the government. That's why the government is not taking.
many countries
Who said to you government hasn't taken action? Do you know one thing? In 2018, government, our RBI has declared that in our India we want to use the cryptocurrency. Why?
I
And
think
after
I
this
don't.
event-
And before time you told that they have no knowledge about this thing, that's why they are doing. I think not, it's not true.
Yes.
Yes, I am saying that's because in March 2022, our three bench judges has declared that it's mean we can use it cryptocurrency in India, we can use it, but there are some reform. There need a framework on it. Then we will be able to use it very easily. That's why India has banned cryptocurrency.
I think
But
crypto is not a legal tendency in India.
Yeah.
As
Yes,
I
that's
just said that you can just trade in crypto, and after when you want to withdraw your currency, you will have to pay tax, some amount of tax to the government, and it is not a legal currency in India.
yeah, because the taxes is not going to the directly going to the government. That's why they are not taking any authorized or authentic thing in cryptocurrency. Because as I told you before that when the people are exchanging the money, then the people are exchanging the money, and the cryptocurrency is earning by that miner who is mining on that. Then the taxes and the third party is no anywhere. That's why the currency is only transferring to the people.
But according to my study, cryptocurrency only those people use it. The people invested their money in cryptocurrency to become a maybe it's become a valuable for the people who is invested their money.
I think it's safe for us that because by the help of cryptocurrency we can, as you told, that decentralize, as well as if we are using cryptocurrency, then there is no need that if I will introduce, because the cryptocurrency has reduced the inflation. Because before time era or now time also that our physical currency is going on. If we want to purchase anything, such as we want to purchase any car, at the time we have to keep 2 lakh 3 lakh, it's that amount. If you want to purchase, then you will have to give your money in any bag, then you will go here and there. But if you have a cryptocurrency, then you can easily purchase and nobody will know that what are you purchasing. Then it's a beneficial for human beings.
And it is not beneficial for government, no? Because government can't track your total transaction, what you want to purchase and where you paid your whole money. You are giving example for buying a car. Suppose that you are not buying a car, and instead of car you are just buying a weapons. How can government track that where you paid your money?
Then what do you want to say about inflation? Because if government, whenever government wants that I will have to reduce the rate of inflation, then they can. But it can't be happen in cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency has limited. Only you can print it 21 million.
Yeah.
But what about in
Not one.
yes 21
Yes,
million?
It is
It's
the
a
number of Bitcoin, not a
yes,
whole
it's a number of
Number of
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
I have made a mistake.
21
It's a number of Bitcoin. Only 21 million you can create it. But what about our physical currency? Whatever you want to print it, you can, because it will be happen under our government.
Yeah,
And it's,
I can totally counter your point.
How?
Do you know? I think you previously said that why government has banned it. I think there is a reason, because if government allows it publicly, then people will convert their money into cryptocurrency, and by the help of conversion, I cannot say by the help of, I can say due to this, if people convert their money into cryptocurrency, the value of INR will be decreased, and it will increase our inflation.
Okay, then what about El Salvador? It's a smallest country of American Central. Okay, they have declared that cryptocurrency we will use as a official currency. Why?
Because you take an example of America. American currency is the strongest currency in the world. It will not.
talking about America. It's
I'm
talking
saying-
about Central America country whose name
El
is El
Salvador.
Salvador.
Yes,
It
of
is-
course.
You know, El Salvador is a highly corrupted country for some years.
That's why they have declared that.
You know, their currency value is decreasing day by day. That's why they are adopting new technology. And you know, even then it is a very long distance from America. Even then you can trade there in the US dollar. They can accept 2-3. I think according to my knowledge, they are accepting 2 or 3 currency nowadays, and
Then
cryptocurrency is a part of it.
what would you like to say about America? You know, recently they had declared that cryptocurrency working group they will organize. It's a recently news 2025. FSU told that country is corrupted. Then what would you like to say about America?
You know, US has a very advanced technology. They have lots of smart computers.
I think it's a beneficial of cryptocurrency they are using. That's why they have declared. And as you told that country is corrupted. Then what about America?
I'm just saying that.
Yeah.
You are saying that America is being adopting crypto day by days. You know, once Elon Musk also started mining in cryptocurrency, and after some time he closed. Why?
Behind of this thing, maybe some reason has happened. I have no
He gi-
more
he
about
given
more
that-
knowledge about that thing. That's why I
Given
can't
the
explain.
you know, his statement is like that. Crypto by the if we are mining crypto, it takes more energy and lots of advanced instruments and like supercomputer are also we need this type of technology. That's why he stopped mining.
Yes, because
And
it's,
once he started their mining, the
But I think
price
it-
of crypto is increasing day by day. And when he just stopped their mining,
it is not
will-
eco-friendly.
It just decreasing day by day.
But I think it has reduced our transportation system also. Because
How?
if we want to go from anywhere and we have to purchase anything else, then we should go by the help of transportation, and they will also pollute our environment. And if you are giving by the help of Bitcoin from here and there, then they will take some what to say that about criteria of computer. Means as you told that they give lots of energy.
Yes,
They consume lots of
They
energy.
consume
Yes,
a
they
lot of
consume lots of energy, but by the help of them also they are reducing our energy also. Means they can
You are
reduce
saying in
our
terms
pollution.
You are saying in terms of printing money, it will take energy.
Hmm.
I didn't get your point.
It's been creating the bitcoins.
Yeah.
They are if we mining the bitcoins, then that supercomputer will take lots of
Lots of
energy.
energy,
yeah.
That was she wanted to explain.
Yeah.
And do you know something about in India? If we were discussing about the India and any government, there is no any authorized person. If they will RBI or our Indian government will allow or they will ban it, there is no any no any person will get lots of fails or failures in this, because there is no any control of any person in this exchange, because it's about the person to person, and it's about the trading, where there is no any taxes, and if the taxes is not taken by the government, because they are unable to track it, that's why government is not interested in. Lots of country they ban it, and they are not what that called, they are not
They are not accepting.
familiar, they are not feeling familiar like the
Yes,
other
that's
currencies.
right. Yeah.
I don't think so it is appropriate for the government, because cryptocurrency used by the criminals, and the criminals transaction is maybe they transact and they transfer their bitcoin lots of, and where they transfer there is no idea about the government.
And it's also happened in physical currency. Then what is wrong?
No, physical
No,
You
currency.
can track your physical currency.
But bitcoin, but you never track your bitcoin where they transfer their bitcoin.
You know, actually,
Yeah.
I would like to explain something about the Indian. It's been lots of terrorism attack, or how they are getting that much that type of weapons. The gangster, the terrorist, they are getting that much enough money, and they are buying lots of weapons by the help of this type of currencies. And due to this currency, no one can get know that who had purchased it, and how he has purchased, who had given the money to another person. If you are in this cryptocurrencies family, then you are able to know that it's mean you are a miner, and you are mining that, then you will able to know that who is the person giver person and who is the receiver person. But the other third person will don't know about this.
Okay, if do we use the cryptocurrency, then our pricing standard will be safe or not?
Sorry.
What did you say? I
Pricing
didn't-
standard.
Yes, of course, pricing standard. Because if we are using that type of bitcoins, such we are discussing, then our pricing standard means we have different standard. Like you have 10,000, you have 20,000. In the same way, in Bitcoin, 2 bitcoins are available. Then what about pricing standard? If you want to 1.5 Bitcoin at that time, what will I do? How can I get from Bitcoin?
You just
Means I'm saying
send
that.
some
Did you
part-
understand me?
Yeah,
or
I
not?
get. You are just saying that how can you match our values?
Yes.
If you are on, if our position is different, if you want 1 Bitcoin and I want 2 Bitcoin, how can you just send some part of Bitcoin if you are want to trade in this?
You can buy partial bitcoins.
Yeah, partial Bitcoin is also available.
Even if you have
What is
10
partial
rupees,
Bitcoin?
then you can buy
Some
10
part of
rupees
the
of
Bitcoin.
bitcoin.
Yes, some part of the Bitcoin is
No,
possible.
he's explaining. Yes.
Even if you have 10 rupees, then you can buy 10 rupees of bitcoin. So it is partially available. So you can buy 0.0001 bitcoin, 0.2 bitcoin. So whatever money you have, you can buy bitcoin or whatever currency you need. It is not like if a bitcoin value is 1 crore, then you need 1 crore to buy bitcoin. You can buy even 10 rupees.
Even then we are using fiat currency. Why?
Which currency?
Don't you know about fiat currency? As a physical currency, it's a
Yes,
fiat
fiat.
currency. It's a
Sort.
fiat currency. It's of sort. Okay. Then we are using. Then why maximum portion? If you will see that criteria, then nowadays if you are famous and you are earning 1 CR, 2 CR, then they will what to bet in any platform such as cryptocurrency. Many types of currency are available. In the same way, Bitcoin they will bet on Bitcoin. Means why? Why they are betting?
Only for Bitcoin.
Yes, only for Bitcoin because it's a popular Bitcoin. That's why we are
Bitcoin is
discussing
very
about
popular
this
in the
thing.
market. That's why.
And it's
You know,
like very
You
valuable
said that
also.
some terrorist organization is getting weapon by paying trading in Bitcoin or like other cryptocurrency. And she said that US is accepting and like mining new Bitcoin day by day and just habitual day by day of new of basically Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You know, terrorist is the biggest consumer of the weapons and America is the biggest producer of the weapons. That's why they are interlinked with each other. Just America is adopting this technology and just other terrorist organizations are getting get to use this type of technology day by day. And once even then US is acting like a peace nation, but
Yeah.
in the other hand they also want to sell their weapons because the economy of US is run by the help of selling weapons to the other countries. They are the
That's
largest exporter of the weapons in the world.
That's why they accepted Bitcoin to transfer
Yeah, that's why they are
I
just
would like to throw some
saying-
light on my first question of the conversation.
Yeah.
That I asked, would you accept crypto as a currency? Because the value of crypto is not stable.
It is highly volatile.
Yes,
market.
it is
That's
highly
why-
volatile and it is highly risky. So, having these issues, would you like to accept it in currency form?
You can put
Not
your
only we
extra
will use
money
it
on
trade
it.
in trade market we can accept.
Yeah, in the trade market it
It's
is
the best. I think Bitcoin is best for trading
partial correct
marketing.
for us, partial
Yes,
good
it
for us.
will be
Only
for
investor
trading.
invest their money in
It
Bitcoin.
will not accept it as
Like
currency.
replace our
Because-
currency and use like
And as well as you can enhance your currency because if you have an extra currency, then you will invest in Bitcoin, and in future you will get more benefits with
Yeah.
them.
If you ask to me that what would be my opinion, then I would never convert my money into Bitcoin or
Why?
whatever currency
I
because
know that why.
because it can go down any time. Like if it is 0 at this time, it can go to 50 at next minute and it is go to 0 next minute.
But is
Some creators are sitting on the Instagram and they are just making reels on how to trade in crypto, and after that they are just showing that I am trading in the crypto and I am just like making an like much amount in a day, and just I'm living my luxury, like that type of video influence just affect our young generation, and they just want to live they just want to transform their life in this way. That's why the our current percentage of the crypto trader in India is 7.1% according to the Google.
So do you want to say that due to these activities, the crypto
Yeah, due
market
to
is
show off.
manipulated?
Yeah, you can
Here
search
we
for
are
that.
outlining that.
When you search on YouTube which is the best cryptocurrency which can give us a better return, there is lots of other creators saying other coins.
Once I had heard the news that once Elon Musk was just text a tweet on Twitter, Dogecoin, and just because of one tweet, it gone very high. So
You know
see
who is
how
the
it
founder
is
of Dogecoin?
manipulated. It is just manipulated by a single tweet of a famous person.
Who is the
So how could you rely on such a volatile method of currency?
who is the founder of Dogecoin?
I don't know.
Elon Musk is the founder of
Yes,
Dogecoin.
of
That's
course,
why he
Elon
tweets
Musk.
that. Who don't know? Who don't need that? Their business.
But
And you know
Hear me out one
when
thing.
it went high.
Yeah, he just
he
declined all.
sold his all the Dogecoins and booked the
That is
profit.
the main reason why the people and why the countries, the government are not accepting that, because it's the it's very in a sometime it's very fluctuated. That's
Fluctuated.
why fluctuated.
It's
Same
a
thing.
market.
Yeah, that's why the people are not accepting that, and lots of unsecurity is available in this. Suppose if someone has started newly, and if they are going by the help of any application like Queen Switch, there are
CoinDCX.
yes, Coin DCX, Coin Switch. There are lots
There
of
also left for
hear me out,
competition
Abhishek,
and-
as if discussed that Bitcoin is limited. Then how we can returns in high amount? As you told that it's
You
your
know-
personal opinion that we shouldn't bet in Bitcoin, but it's a limited. Then we can.
Actually, it depends on liquidity. As Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency in the world, then it has very much liquidity. You will never get liquidity issue in the Bitcoin. Like if you want even 10 lakhs Bitcoin, you will be able to buy 10 lakhs Bitcoin because it is the biggest cryptocurrency. So there is no liquidity issues.
Okay.
Because
You know-
sellers and buyers are always available in this cryptocurrency.
If someone buy 10 lakhs of Bitcoin and someone who buy it and they hold for some time, what will happen in the market?
It can make you richer and it can make you poor. Both are possible.
But when demand is high and the supply is low, I think the price of the goods or anything, services, it will be high.
And
According to me.
this type of situation is happening in Bitcoin because it's a limited.
Bitcoin was corrected 50% in a month. I don't know what was the duration, but it was corrected by 50%. So think about it. What will happen with your capital if such situation happens? And also,
And what's the criteria of currency supplier of Bitcoin? I want to know.
there is a limited coins of Bitcoin.
Approx to see. Maybe.
What?
You are
I
saying
didn't
there's
get your
21 million.
I want
Yeah,
to know.
21 million.
Yes.
I
This
want
is-
you to know that what's the supply currency of Bitcoin.
Supply
There is
currency.
any criteria or not?
What do you mean by supply currency? Means you can convert any currency to Bitcoin. It is all itself a currency.
And it's a self currency.
Yes, it itself is a currency. You can convert any currency to Bitcoin and use it as a
Then at that time, I think government will take some what to say that as a tax.
government
They
will
want-
charge tax as
At the time of conversion, when you try to convert your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency in your country own money,
Then it is very-
at the time of conversion, government will charge you some amount of your profit or loss. Government don't think about your profit loss; they just charge
But
some.
at that time, they know everything about our amount.
So cryptocurrency is
They
very
will only-
beneficial for the corrupted person who is corrupting lots of money. Then they can convert their money in crypto in a Bitcoin.
Yes, it is beneficial for them because the government has no any idea about what are you doing with your cryptocurrency. It is decentralized, so yes, it is beneficial for those terrorists.
Corrupted person also they have
Corrupted
lots.
person also put their money in Switzerland bank, which is called.
Person, if someone is doing the business, those types of person or what interested in doing this types of currency, cryptocurrency. Do you know why?
Why?
Anyone can explain why they are interesting in purchasing the cryptocurrency?
Do you know-
Maximum businessmen are taking it as a currency.
Only those person are interested in cryptocurrency who has extra money. I would suggest you to, if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, I would suggest you to invest only 10% of your capital which you want to invest, because it is highly risky, it is highly volatile, and also those person who are interested in this, they are richer person, they are businessman person, they know how it works, and they know the risk is, and they know the reward. So they do it according to their risk reward. But if you want to trade in crypto, then you should think about it, that how much you want to lose and how much you expect to return.
Okay, instead of this thing, I want you to ask one question, that if we are sending our money in any account in our India, then we need that IFSC code. But if we want to send our money in another country, at that time, what should we need?
Swift code.
Swift code. It's a Swift code.
Yes,
Yes,
it is a code which is needed, only a code which is a wallet code. I don't know, that is a longer code, and it is once the receiver will send
Then
you the
how is it happen in Bitcoins? Means there is one code will available, that's right.
Yes, you will get a code and you will send the Bitcoin through the code. It is a simple process. There is no complications. Okay, friends, we have more points to discuss, but time is limited. So let's discuss this topic on next class. Thank you for watching.